Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to find people near on Snapchat. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first you're going to do, you need to open up Snapchat application. And afterward, I tap on this map. I came up to show me on map. And next what I can do, I just zoom out to see other people's in my location. As you can see, there are a lot of people in my area. So if I look at, for example, here we get much more people using Snapchat, and here I see surrounded icons. It's someone's story. I can tap on it, watch the story. I can tap another round, watch another story, and so I can check out any stories that I see on my screen. And if I tap on this, I check person who made the story, and I can subscribe on this person. For example, if I want, then I tap done, and now if I need to find people near me, I just tap on this arrow. I also can subscribe on this person if I want. So now you know how to find people near you on Snapchat. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.